In this video, you'll learn how to export codeless events to Facebook ads, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Mailchimp, and other platforms. By the end of this chapter, you'll see your Aribi events displayed on your various platforms and will be able to use them to create better campaigns. Facebook ads, Google ads, Mailchimp, HubSpot, and many other platforms can be easily optimized if you have the right events in place. You don't need us to tell you how much of a pain it is having to ask developers to add every new event you need to track. If you're advertising on Facebook or Google, or if you use email or marketing automation, this feature can significantly boost your results in no time at all. Here's how. You've already seen how simple it is to create new events in Aribi, no coding required. Now, you can do the same for Facebook, Google, and your other platforms. Every pinned event can be easily exported to any of the supported platforms. In short, here are some of the cool things you can do with these exported events. Create stronger lookalikes on Facebook using your new events for the seed. Create better retargeting on Facebook and Google using specific events visitors performed. Analyze which keywords led visitors to perform a certain event. Add new behavioral data on Mailchimp and send newsletters based on these events, like a campaign sent to all visitors who watched your webinar, for example. You can find tutorials for each of these actions below this video. Go to the Settings section in Aribi and enter the Ecosystem tab. Here, you'll be able to connect your Google, Facebook ads, or Mailchimp account, along with any other supported platform. You can connect as many or as few accounts as you want. If you've shared the ecosystem with others, they'll be able to send events to these connected accounts as well. Now, go to the Manage Events section and then select Manage Exported Events. Here you can easily see all the events you've exported so far, edit them, and export additional events. Add any pinned events and select to which platforms you'd like to export them. The display name option is what you'll use to select the event's name on the platform you're sending it to. Check out the videos below to see exactly how to find your newly exported events on Facebook, Google, and other platforms.